Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, I've definitely let my daughter's room go. We had family over, so we put the blow-up bed in there, and it's just kind of taking up a lot of space now. It's definitely time to declutter, organize, and get rid of a lot of things that she no longer uses. And I started filming this when she was taking a nap, so I like to multitask. That's why I have that mask on. I start by taking all her clothes and making a huge pile in the center of her room. That way it makes it easier for me to see what I have and what I don't use, because I kind of have a bad habit of buying clothes or receiving clothes as gifts and then storing it away when it does fit her, and then I just forget that she has it, and by the time I find it again, it no longer fits her. And I've done this several times and it really frustrates me. So this is what I'm working with right now, and I like to categorize things by piles. So I have a pile to donate. I have another pile of clothes that I'm going to throw away just because they're too gross and too stained to donate. And I also have a pile, or the stuff that I'm going to keep, I kind of do individual piles with their like items. So as you can see here, I have a pile of pants, I have a pile for her PJs and then her shirts, and then I have another pile of things I'm going to hang up. And as you'll see later on in the video, when I organize and put everything back, I don't fold any of her clothes. I feel like it drives me crazy, and it gets really messy within the next couple of days, so there's just really no point. It's just what's been working for me, and I've been doing that for the past, I don't know, year and a half, and it's been a lot easier to put all her clothes away, and then just a lot easier to keep everything organized as well. We used to have a dresser, but when we moved into the house, it kind of broke. So we're using these plastic containers instead. And I kind of like this better just because it keeps everything contained in their own little separate drawer. When I used to have the dresser and it had the big drawers, I used to use the IKEA organizers that you'll see later on in the video. They're the white organizers that I use. And they helped a lot, but it just didn't keep everything in their own separate drawer, and I feel like because everything has its own drawer, it's a lot more organized this way. And the last drawer I'm using to store things that don't fit her just yet, or sentimental items like this shirt. That was her first outfit when she was born, and her newborn diaper. I do sell a lot of my clothes on Poshmark, so that box right there that you see is all those clothes that I'm selling on Poshmark right now. So if you're interested, I'll link my Poshmark down below. I also have a lot of shoes and stuff. So right now I don't really know where to store them. So I kind of just keep them in that box and just kind of shove it to the side. And then whenever I sell something, I just ship it off. hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning and decluttering video. I've definitely been putting off cleaning her room for a very long time, and it took a couple of days, but I got it done. So I hope this video gives you some motivation to do some cleaning and decluttering in rooms that you have been dreading in your house. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll leave other links and playlists to other cleaning videos that I've done in the past down below. I'll also leave my Poshmark if you're interested down below as well, and I'll see you guys next time.